Hey guys, so I got a quick video on a 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLA45 to check the oil level with a screen like this and a steering wheel like this. So very simple procedure. Since this one does not have a dipstick outside, we have to use the electronic dipstick. So for this, we're going to use the home button, OK, up, down, left, right, and then the start button. So we're going to start by pressing the start button one time only. Get it in accessory mode. Make sure do not press the brake pedal. So you can be on any screen. It could be sport, hiker sport, whichever mode you're in, does not matter. Then we're gonna press and hold the home button for 8 seconds, let it go, and then press and hold the OK button for 5 seconds and let it go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're gonna be in workshop menu. So we're gonna scroll up, engine oil, press OK. Now we're gonna start the car. Press the brake pedal and press the start button. Start that, please. Alright, and you can see the oil temperature and the oil level. When you scroll down, it'll show you add 0.7 to get maximum oil level. Scroll up, it'll show you what it is. Let the idle stabilize before you get the correct measurements. It's asking for half a liter, so I'm going to add that, and that should be it. Double check after topping it off. Make sure do not overfill. So very simple procedure. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.